Your specific aims page is one of the most important components, if not the most important component of your entire R01 application. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a technique that you can use to grab your reviewer's attention right from the very first sentence. I'm Sarah Dobson. I'm a grant writing expert, and I help early career researchers write show-stopping, outstanding grant applications to the NIH so that they can get their research funded and advance their careers. In this video, I'm going to teach you a technique that I use with my one-on-one clients and my students to help them really set out those first couple of paragraphs of their specific aims page so that they're setting the context and really getting reviewers excited to read their entire proposal. This technique is called the problem gap hook solution technique, and it's adapted from work by Dr. Lorelei Lingard. I've adapted it specifically for research grants. So here's how the technique works. First, you need to identify a scientific or clinical problem that you are trying to solve. Next, you need to identify a gap in knowledge or in thinking that is keeping that problem stuck in place. Third, you need to describe a hook. And this is really about why doing this research matters, why filling that gap in knowledge will actually make a difference. And finally, you need to propose a solution that fills that gap in knowledge. So if you're doing this properly, you are going from broad to specific and you're helping reviewers see how your work is really tied together. So your problem should link to your gap, your hook should link to your problem and your gap, and your solution should be to fill the gap in knowledge that you described earlier. And if you do that in order and if you do it effectively, it's going to be obvious that your solution, your research project, fills that gap in knowledge that you have described earlier. So let me know in the comments what you think about this technique, how it will help you lay out your own aims page, and whether you will give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.